Welcome! Today we're learning the cursive Q. Cursive writing may seem like a relic of the past, but it's far from obsolete. In fact, it's a valuable skill with benefits that often go unnoticed in today's digital world. Cursive is more than just fancy handwriting. It's an art form that engages the mind and the body in a unique way. Writing in cursive stimulates fine motor skills, enhances hand-eye coordination, and strengthens cognitive development. Unlike typing, cursive helps us connect with languages on a deeper level, activating areas of the brain responsible for memory and comprehension. It's also a vital link to history. Think about historical documents, like the Declaration of Independence, or letters from loved ones. Without cursive, future generations might struggle to read these treasures in their original form. Learning cursive connects us to the past, ensuring we preserve our cultural and personal heritage. Perhaps the most overlooked benefit is creative and personal touch. In a time where communication is dominated by keyboards and screens, cursive allows for self-expression. Each stroke reflects individuality, turning words into something uniquely yours. Reintroducing cursive into your lives today is more than a nostalgic nod. It's a way to balance modern efficiency with timeless elegance. Whether you're signing your name or journaling your thoughts, cursive offers a simple but profound way to slow down, focus, and express yourself. So why not reclaim this lost art? It's never too late to learn or to teach others the beauty of cursive writing.